this video, I'll show you how to receive USDT on the TRC20 network on Binance. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So first thing you need to do is open up and log into your Binance app. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you up to 100 USD in trading fee rebates. After you've logged into your account, we're going to go right down here to the bottom right hand corner and tap on the assets icon. From here, we're going to tap on deposit. And this will bring up a list of crypto that you can choose from, or we can simply go to the search bar up top and search USDT. Tap on USDT. And here's where we're going to choose the Tron TRC20 network. And this is going to bring up your TRC20 USDT wallet address. We're going to go to these two squares on the right of it and copy. Once you've copied your TRC20 USDT wallet address, so you need to copy and paste this wallet address on any exchange or wallet that you want to send your USDT from into your Binance account. So for this example, let's say we want to send USDT on the TRC20 network from our ByBit account into Binance. If you don't already have a ByBit account, I'll also leave you a link down below in the description that can get you up to 30,000 in welcome bonuses. Once you're logged into your account, you're going to type on assets. From here, we're going to tap on withdraw. In the search bar, we're going to look for USDT. Tap on it. And under address is where we're going to paste our wallet address from Binance. And right here under network, we're going to select the TRC20 network and tap on it. Enter the amount that you want to send into your Binance account and tap on withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal. And that's how to receive USDT on the TRC20 network on Binance.